1/2. Hips are about 37.5. Thighs are about 21.5. Scale says 140.1. So that's about a 2-pound drop from yesterday. I went jogging twice yesterday. I went in the morning and at nighttime, and I did some stomach exercises. I was jogging for a long period of time, and I was going to try to get up to an hour. Then I started thinking, I don't know if it's particularly healthy to just be jogging for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours at a time. It's just kind of weird to me to be jogging for that long. That's a long time for your body to just be jogging. And I'm kind of skeptical as to whether that's really good for you. I don't know, it just seems strange to me. I don't know why you would ever have to be jogging for that long, naturally. So I don't know, I'm definitely, it's definitely exercise, which is good, but forcing your body to be in a jogging state for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, it just sounds kind of weird to me. I don't know. So I'm breaking it down into smaller amounts. And just doing target training. So that's where I'm at. And I'm still eating fruit. I got a Tuscan cantaloupe today. I've never had one of these. So let's cut this open. It's really pretty. I almost don't want to eat it. It looks just like a regular cantaloupe. It smells a little different. Get a spoon. So this is going to be my breakfast. I said earlier I'm going to be eating a lot of melon. Really high water-rich foods. It's weird, it has kind of like a spicy cantaloupe taste. Tuscan cantaloupe. I want to say they taste kind of like a pickle. It's very weird. But it's good. And we got big old honeydew melon. So that's what I'm eating, lots of melon. And just a reminder, just because junk food is labeled low fat, low calorie, low sodium, does not mean it's healthy. It's still junk food. It's still not good for you. So don't get sucked into that. This 0-calorie soda does not mean soda is healthy whatsoever. Low fat or no fat cookies, not healthy. It doesn't mean the cookie is healthy. Low sodium potato chips does not mean the potato chips are healthy. None of that means that stuff is healthy, so that's not like a green light to just eat that all the time. You're still going to get large. Any kind of junk food, doesn't matter if it's low fat, low sodium, low calorie, low carbohydrate. Really anything low you don't want, because that means it's low nutrient. You don't want low nutrients. You want high nutrients. I don't think it's the calories or the carbs or the fat or anything in junk food. It's just the fact that it's junk food. It's unnatural food. So it doesn't matter what's in it. It's unnatural. It's made in a laboratory, baked and fried, and had food coloring additives and preservatives put it in. It's just unnatural, and it's going to make you bulk out. Doesn't matter if it's low in this or that. And anyway, you want to eat high anyway. You want high calorie, high carbohydrates, good amount of sodium. Your body needs all that. All those are nutrients that your body needs. And yes, your body needs fat too. Your body needs fat. So don't just think that that's fine to eat just because it says all that. It's still junk food, packaged processed food, and it's not healthy. Okay? So you want to eat high nutrient, not low nutrient.